OT box. OT box is a castable prefabricated box to retain the normal and micro-retentive caps. They're used to obtain cast reinforcements cured inside the resin of dentures. Additional uses can be further illustrated. They come in two lines, classical and special. On pages 22 and 23. OT box classic bars come in two parts to be glued together in order to split and use their boxes. Here we can see them split and ready to be positioned using the positioning rings. OT box special are instead ready to use. No gluing is required before splitting them. They're used in labs with the same results. The thin wax base needs the right thickness in order to allow curing of cast components inside denture. It's important the precision of the positioning rings in order to obtain the exact position of the metal cast boxes. The box will be adapted over the directional ring until the end bar, but without compressing it, always checking the position. These connectors are provided with the OT box kits. They can be shaped and adapted to your project's needs. During the many steps, verify available spaces using the trial mask. Once dimensions are detected by connectors use, make some rest holes on the wax used as a base to isolate gingival ridge. Link by pat in resin small sections of castable components in order to avoid retraction. Let the resin cure and connect the whole reinforcement surface. Instead of using too much resin and to ensure as much passive connection as possible, use extra leftovers of castable parts. Working on the master model, the trial mask always goes in the position, allowing placing reinforcement pins for the teeth. This reinforcement will strengthen the denture, avoiding tooth break. Carefully check up and add wax where a possible area needs to be reinforced. Be sure the positioning rings are not left inside the castable boxes. Using balanced expansion investments, measurements are usually respected. Do not wear out cast boxes during refining and polishing. Replace any used black processing cap when working is completed with the proper optimal retentive cap for the project. It can be useful to secure teeth to the mask by gluing using super glue. If reinforcement pins have been carefully positioned, it'll be simple to fit each single tooth. If any hardship incurs, it'll be necessary to refine the tooth and reshape it with resin. The metal boxes ensure a degree of leeway to the retentive caps, delivering an optimal elastic and mechanical functionality during insertion stage of dentures, assuring a longer life of the caps and avoiding traumas and stress on abutments. Some clinical cases. First case. Second case. Third case. With this simple OT cap technique, it's possible to make stable and strong quality dentures with time and cost savings, especially with expensive materials like investments, silicones, and so on.